Well, this report looks ahead to the Welsh Government's plans for the procurement of new Wales and Borders rail services from 2018. The Welsh Government's expecting to get powers transferred from the UK Government in 2017 to enable it to take forward the procurement. The report highlights some of the risks and opportunities that are going to be involved in that procurement exercise, which is quite significant, looking at a contract worth some 3.5 billion potentially, combining the franchise and work on the metro. Well, the report looks back to the period, particularly since 2011, and it maps out spending of around 362 million by the Welsh Government on Welsh rail services and infrastructure. Around 226 million of that has been on infrastructure projects, 109 million on enhanced services over and above the core services that are provided for by the rail franchise, and also some costs that relate to performance incentive payments to Arriva Trains Wales. In our report, we recognise that investment. It's in the context of the relatively limited powers that the Welsh Government has over rail infrastructure and its role in the day-to-day management of the Wales and Borders franchise. But we just note that the Welsh Government did not do enough during that period to evaluate the impact of its investment, although it's in the process of strengthening those arrangements. Well, the report notes that there has been an improvement in overall performance on the Wales and Borders franchise over the longer term lifetime of the current franchise, looking back particularly to the period since 2006. And certainly in recent years, passenger satisfaction has improved in some respects, although some of the comparisons with other rail services elsewhere in the UK do vary. The Welsh Government's looking to the opportunity in taking control of the new franchise, looking for a step change in performance and various other outcomes that it's looking to deliver through the new contract.